We are downing this tonight, so focus. Here we go. Protein spots. Dodge the ads. Dodge the ads. Get ready to stack soon. Stack, stack. Get ready for sides or under. Sides or under. It's sides, sides, and dodge the ads. Dodge the ads. Get ready for 4 markers. Spread out. Get ready for those purple puddles. Those pretty little purple puddles that you want to stand in. Purple puddles are going out. You ready for stack timer? Stack timer's going out. It's on racks. Stack timer's on beyond racks. Get ready for 5 marker timers. 5 marker timers are going out. Alright. Get ready for the shadow eye timer soon. Shadow eye timer's going out. 5 marker timers about to blow up soon. 5 marker timers are blowing up. 5 marker timers, get ready to stack on racks. Stack on racks. You're ready, Praise? Praise are on Sin and Luna. Take them away. Stacks going off, look away from Shadow Eye. Stacks going off, look away from Shadow Eye. You ready for the double tank buster? Double tank buster followed by AoE. Double tank buster's going out. AoE's next. After this AoE, get ready to get away from the hand. Get away from the hand, get away from the hand. Next will be get to the sides and dodge the ads. Get to the sides and dodge the ads. Alright, dodge the ads please. And get underneath the boss and dodge the ads. Get underneath the boss and dodge the ads. Knockback's gonna be going out. Knockback's gonna be going out. Alright, protein spots and dodge the ads. Protein spots and dodge the ads. Get ready, dodge the ads. And then get ready for double tank buster, followed by AoE. Double tank buster's going out. Pop cooldowns. Get ready for the AoE after this. After this AoE, get ready for 2 prey timers. AoE's going off. I got reprisal for it. Alright, 2 prey timers and 3 flares. Focus.
Racks.
Alright, 3 flares. If you got a flare, please take it away. Flares are going out. Alright, Voking. Voking.
Sure.
Alright, after this, get ready for Shadow Eye Timer and Purple Puddles. Shadow Eye Timer and Purple Puddles. Shirt. Shadow Eye Timer. It's on tie. Purple Puddles. Get ready. Praise are going off. Praise are going off. Get ready to heal Praise. Praise. Alright, get your puddles. Look away from Shadow Eye tie. Look away from Shadow Eye tie. Alright, get ready for Double Tank Buster. Double Tank Buster followed by AoE. Double Tank Buster's going out on both tanks.
I see it, don't worry.
AoE's next. After this AoE, get ready to stack with your partners. After this AoE, you're going to stack with your partners. AoE's going out. Prizal's up. Get ready to stack with your partners, and then you're going to your protein wave spots after. Stack with your partners. Get ready to get to your protein wave spots. Alright, protein wave spots. Get ready to dodge the ads after this. Dodge the ads, and then get ready to stack. This is a stack that you guys didn't mitigate, or didn't stack for. Stack on tie, behind the boss. Get ready, sides or under. It's under. Dodge the ads. Dodge the ads. Alright, now we're getting to the hard phase. Get ready for double tank buster, followed by AoE. Just remember, this one takes a while to go out.
Pots are up.
Thank you. Alright, double tank buster, followed by AoE. Double tank buster's going out on both tanks. Get ready for the AoE. After this AoE, get ready for 3 flare timers plus the hand. AoE's going out. Reprisals up. 3 flare timers plus the hand. It might be a knockback hand, or it might be a getaway hand. Check the hand soon. 3 flare timers are up. Check the hand. Alright, it's knockback hand, knockback hand, knockback hand. Alright, after this, get ready to stack. Stack timer's going out. Stack. Stack timer's going out. Stack. We got a long time. We got 15 seconds on flares. When we get down to 10 seconds, I'll throw up Heart of Light. And then we'll go to our spots soon. 10 seconds on flares. Heart of Light's up. You're ready. Go to your spots. Go to your spots. Flares. And second set of flares. Stay stacked. Stack timer's going to be going off. Everyone get in. Stack. Stack. After this, get ready to LB. Alright, Boking. Get ready for double tank buster. Double tank buster. Yeah, LB. LB. Alright. Now get ready for Shadow Eye timers. 2 Shadow Eye timers. 2 Shadow Eye timers.
Tommy has the boss here.
Yes, I have the boss. 2 Shadow Eye timers are going out.
I'm gonna go behind you guys.
Shadow Eye timers. And
Medica 2
flares.
going out.
Get ready to get to your spots. Flares. Get ready to get to your spots. Flares. Get to your spots. Look away from Shadow Eyes. 3 markers are out. Do not stack with these markers. Get away from the markers. Get away from the markers. Markers are going off. Spread, marker, spread. Alright, get ready to stack with your partners. Stack with your partners. Stack with your partners. Purple puddle. Stack with your partners. Get ready to get to your puddle soon. Get to your puddle? Get to your puddle? Sure. Alright, after this, Protean spots. Protean spots. Protean spots, dodge the ads. Protean spots, dodge the ads. Dodge the ads, please. Dodge the ads, please. Alright, get ready for the double tank buster, followed by Quietus. Double tank buster's going out. Alright, Quietus. We got a long time before Quietus. Do not fuck this up. Focus, guys. Take deep breaths. Relax. Focus. Just focus. You got this. Do this correctly, we'll clear. Alright, Quietus soon. Do it correctly. Quietus. AoE's going out. Reprisal is up. Get ready for Retribution or Chaos. Just do the mechanic. Alright. It's in, then Protean spots. And then sides. In, Protean spots. Alright, sides. Get away from the boss. Sides. Nicely done. Get ready for another Chaos. Chaos is next. Turn the boss north. Alright, remember sides? Sides will be first. Alright, sides. And then it's going to be in, and then Protean spots. Alright, dodge the ads. Just dodge the ads. That's all you got to do. Alright, get ready for Quietus after this. Get ready for Quietus next. Good job, guys. Keep it up. Just take deep breaths and relax. We got this. Quietus is going out. Give mitigation for that Quietus. Alright, get ready for Retribution or Chaos. Last one. We got this.
Battle voice.
And it's going to be in,
Potion.
and then Protean spots. And then get ready to get to the sides. Get away from the boss. Sides. Nicely done. Get ready for the 4 Quietus. Yeah, be careful going back in. 4 Quietus. Might get a 5th one if we got the good instance. Alright. Make sure to get, who's going to mitigate this first one? I got Reprisal on this first one.
Potions are up as well.
You ready for this next one? Second Quietus. Second Quietus is out. Get ready for this third one.
Give us everything you got here.
Third quietus. Heart of lights up.
Push faster, guys.
You have LB2?
Alright, this
LB2,
is the fourth
use it.
quietus. Yeah. Just relax. You got this. Do your rotation perfectly. Alright, you've got one more. After
Gotta
this.
live.
Gotta live. And burn it, burn it, burn it,
We
burn it.
can
We
do
got
it.
it. We got it.
Got it.
Nice job.
Oh
Nice.
my god.
Yeah.
Oh my
Jesus.
god. Ah,
Nice work.
that is the worst arm. My arm hurts like hell now.
I'm not gonna lie, Ken. I thought it was you and me left.
I survived with 1,000 HP.
I did too. I had like
Dude,
no
I second win at the last.